Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning. I'm Nori De Vera Bacay, 47 years old, married. I have 5 children, 2 boys and 3 girls, ages 23, 22, 19, 18, and 15. I live at Alicia Isabela. I have 1 sister. I'm the eldest in the family. I finished college, Bachelor of Science, major in biology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My working experience was in the Kuwait with the adult and 5 children. I work as a household worker. My duty is cleaning, ironing, washing, and taking care of the 5 years old special child and the newborn twin. Then I also work in Qatar with the family and have 2 children ages 8 and 9. I work as a cleaning, cooking, taking care of children. But my specialty is tutoring the children ages 9 and 8 years old. I also work in the Saudi as household worker with elderly. My main duty there is to clean, cook, washing, ironing. But my special work is to make sure the needed of the elderly is when they need to go to the hospital, checking the medicine if they're complete, and giving it on time.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
My previous employer, when the children is sick, I make sure if they are secure and safety, and I check their temperature. I also check if there's a spot or any pain in their body. After that, I call my employer and inform them what happened to the children.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking, diligent, and trustworthy.
Do you have any tattoo?
I don't have.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, I have a surgery, gallbladder stone. It's already 10 years.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No,
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because of my children and to secure my financial securities.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My sister will assist them, and then they are already in elder stage, so they did need 2 more in taking care.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I work more hard.
Okay, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 10 p.m. and then I wake up at 6 a.m.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be patient and calmly, and then I make befriend to the children.
Okay, do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
I'm willing.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes. And then I'm willing to extend if they need it.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes. Father finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good morning, sir. If you're willing to accept me as your household worker, I promise you to make my work good, trustworthy, and I make your family as of my family and your children as my children.
Okay.